cameras now capture verges on the miraculous.
Boop.
A female leopard. She is tracking a male.
He's trying to get my yarn. Now he's trying to get my stitch marker unicorn. He got him.
Such meetings are becoming increasingly rare.
Boop. Let me take this one off because this one right here will harm him. So I'm going to take that one off and he can play with it.
This briefest of unions may ensure the short-term future for these leopards.
This one's Carmel.
But in the longer term, their fate will depend on their territory being protected. To the north of the Dauphin Mountains lies a place of almost unimaginable emptiness. The Rue Baltali. The empty.
The other one is hiding over there.